Hi everyone, hope it's going good for you. This is going to be a quick tutorial and I'm going to walk you through the steps involved in setting up spacer panels, and it's pretty easy to do. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do in your WordPress admin is go to Settings, Spacer, and this is after you've installed the Panels add-on. You're going to have a new tab up top called Panels, and you're going to click New Panel, and let's call our panel Red Alert, and we are going to make the background color white. The text, let's have black. Let's keep the corners rounded, and if you'll notice, as we're changing, let's make the border, by the way, a red, maybe a brighter red. Actually, let's make the heading text color white. So as we're changing it, you'll see here the preview is changing. And then we can save. Actually, before we save, let's create another one called Info. And for the info, let's make the background color light yellow. And on this one, the option called Include Heading, this area on top is the heading. Let's not have a heading for this one. So we're going to set that to no, and you'll see the heading's gone. Let's change the border to kind of a brownish, maybe a little bit closer to the yellow so it doesn't look like it stands out so much. And the heading, for the text color, let's set that to a dark brown as well. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then we're going to click down at the bottom, Save Changes. Now if you'll notice, back in the Panels tab, we've got our two new panels we created. Now let's go and create a new post. And let's say that we're going to be making a post on how to make chicken wings. And I happen to have a little text written up already, so we're just going to paste that in. And let's see how that would look now. So there you go. It's just pretty bare bones. But let's suppose we wanted to add in some of our new panels. Let's say that right here at this point, we want to add in a warning that if you add too much chili powder, it's going to get too spicy. So what we can do is click on our new Add a Panel icon, click on Red Alert, and let's change the panel heading to Be Careful. So I'm changing the heading text equals to say Be Careful, and then this spot that's in between the shortcode, the beginning ending spacer panel shortcode, I'm going to change that to say don't add a lot of chili powder, or it will turn out too spicy. Okay, and then how about at the end of our post, let's add an info panel, and this one doesn't have a heading, so we don't have to worry about that. And we're just going to say, did you know this dish goes great with some celery? And just to make it stand out a little bit more, let's make the Did You Know bold. And that should be it. So let's preview the updated look. And now we see we've added some life to our post. And we've got a nice Be Careful here, so we're not going to be adding any chili powder beyond what would be a good amount. Oops, I see I have a typo there, but you get the idea. And at the bottom we said, did you know this dish is going to go great with some celery? So that's just two examples of what you can do with the Panels add-on for Spacer, but you could really create as many different types of panels as you can think of, with or without headers. And yeah, there's a lot more you can play around with there, so I hope you enjoyed the video tutorial, and hope to hear back from you guys. Alright, thanks so much.